Hi, my name is Charlie, and today we are here with Attitudinal Healing Connection and the ArtEsteem program, and today we'll be making a Vision Quilt. We'll be using an ArtEsteem worksheet for Vision Quilt. The next thing we'll be using is this fabric called Avalon. It's like a sheet of paper, and the next thing we'll be using is colored pencils and some glue sticks. And next thing is scissors and some ribbon. Okay, so the first question on the worksheet is choose one of these words: hope, peace, joy, love, safety, healing, caring, kindness, togetherness, courage. What does that word look like to you? What people, places, symbols, images represent your word? I'm gonna choose joy because happiness is a key to life, pretty much. I'm gonna draw emojis, I guess, because emojis are pretty happy. Question number 2. Draw a picture using your ideas. Show other people how you think and feel about your word. Question number 3. You have been given a piece of fabric. How can you use that fabric in your panel? Question number 4. Tell me about your image. We will use your thoughts as a caption under your art when we exhibit it. Okay, everybody, we're done with the worksheet. Now we're gonna start working with the Avalon. I'm gonna be putting the happy guy with the rainbow hat on, with the dude with the sweater, and I'm gonna combine that and put it on the Avalon. Okay, we just finished the ArtEsteem Vision Quilt. I'm really happy with the results, and you should be too. I can't wait to see what you guys make.